Okay, now I already, this is how it looks like. So now I already connected the motor to show you how what the problem was, and didn't move. So this one here is testing cable. So if I turn it on, makes this sound. Perhaps it won't make any sound at all, but that's the same. If I put the other cable here, it won't make any sound. Now the motor has 4 cables, one for the ground, this one here, the yellow or green for the earth, then the blue or gray for the neutral, and then 2 more cables, in this case brown and black, for its direction, up or down. So let's start. What we gonna need is a screwdriver like this one. Then we're gonna need a soldering gun like this one, and in my case I'm gonna need a capacitor. This, well, it's not very clear, it's 5 microfarads. So I already tried and worked, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. There is a screw at this point here, this one, and then there are some other points that you have to put this one at the right position, so those gaps here will help you do that. You have to also to be very careful with this certain ring that is used to turn the shutters. So let's start. Now we have to take this off. It's quite hard to do it, so you can use a screwdriver this way. Slowly. You have to be very careful with those gears. So if you take it off, looks like this, and then inside here there is a capacitor. This one. So what we're gonna do is to replace this. So now we have to take this off. In my case, I had just had to cut the cables here, but since I wanted to show you how it works, how actually it didn't work, so I had to put them back. So I take the capacitor off, get the new one, it doesn't matter how you're gonna put the cables on this one.
You just have to be very careful to make the right connection. Okay. Now we're gonna put some insulating tape on the cables here. Moreover, this one, we're gonna cover those poles, the pole of the capacitor.
Okay, now we're gonna put it back. Before that, we also put on this. And we put it back in a position. Slowly the cables. Also, you have to be very careful with this, which is for the earth. Then you turn it around to find the screw, the hole of the screw, this one, and we slowly push it back. You have to check those to be on the right position, and then you push it back. I'm gonna push shit. Well, works perfect.